Hello, this is Marlene with WTI and I'm super excited to show you this next product. This is actually a filter shower head from EllieTwo, and I have to say that I love so many different things about this shower head. Now the first thing that I love is that it was super easy to install. In 4 easy steps I was able to install this, and I love that the seller actually provided me with everything I needed, so that was really cool. I love that he included that plumbing tape for me to be able to put everything in place. Now, I know that water is treacherous. So I made sure that from the beginning, I went ahead and put that plumbing tape wherever there was threading. So I had no issues with leaks, so that was a plus. Also, I love the 3 different settings when it comes to the shower head. You get that jetting, rainfall, and massage. And the massage is actually a mix of the jetting and the rainfall. So that was really cool. Now, the main reason why I actually wanted to try this shower head is because it actually gives pressure. So I wanted to filter my water without compromising the water pressure. So that was really important to me. And I have to say that this shower head does both. So that is really cool. So again, if you are looking for a shower head that can filter your water and that can give you the water pressure that you need, I will definitely recommend this filter shower head from EllieTwo. But hey, that is just my point of view.